Hello YouTube viewers. I'm going to tell you what's good about using a ballast when you're dealing with microwave oven transformers. In all my tangled mess of wires, this is my normal microwave oven transformer. It's not rewound or anything. And you can see it's not quite hooked up the way it normally is. I have my power coming in. There it would be. It's into one side of it. You could see right there. Then the other side goes to this cord, goes up to the rewound one, and in through that big spiral there, the primary, and then back out, and then into the primary of that one. So you could see the two are ran in series. The output of my rewound one is shorted, so that way you get some current flow, but basically it limits current flow. If you have less current, which means less amps, you don't get things as hot, but you don't have much power in your output. So it does limit you a little bit. But what can do, since you still got probably at least 1,000 of the 2,000 volts, you probably only dropped your volts in half and your amps considerably. What you can do, especially if you want to fry stuff, is, well, let me just show you. You can arc almost continuously as long as you want. Well, yeah, continuously. Only thing that happens is the primary, or the secondary and my rewound one tends to get a little warm after a while, because it is shorter and it's a high current one, but only smoke you see is just from the insulation on my wire. Well, but normally by now it'd be pretty hot, let me see. But I can keep going as long as I want to, and I still got, can't quite get as long of arcs. Still get pretty long ones. But if you're interested in like using it for frying things, you still got quite a few thousand volts there. And at least enough amps. Because you can see that's red hot. That's typical welding rod. So let me unplug, make sure everything's safe. Alright, I was arcing for a pretty long time. Let's see, where's my light? Now, right there's the primary. And it's barely warm. I can hold my finger there and it's not warm at all. Now this, that's pretty hot. I just have one runner. That's the secondary and this one. But the primary stays cold as can be. That's definitely hot though. Wow. Yeah. So you see, that stays pretty hot. I just have this wrapped around here for the hell of it. But anyways, whole point of using a ballast, which would be this, or some other thing to draw some of your amps, and I'm running in series, so it's dropping my volts in half too. You can arc continuously, run it to motors, run it to basically whatever the hell you want, and you don't have to worry about cooking your good mott. It'll stay cold as can be. So, thank you, YouTube. Well, I don't know why I said thank you. Thank you, viewers, I should say. Well, until next time when I make another vid, which will probably be in about 5 minutes, because something's gonna fry. Or as Photon would say, I ain't having it.